Here we go. What do? I look for an opposite. Is anything opposite? Is X's opposite or are Y's opposite? Y's are opposite. Good. So I draw the line and I add them up.
Wait, aren't they all opposite?
Well, they're opposite signs, but they're not perfect opposites. Remember, we want to cancel them out. So the only ones that are going to cancel are the Y's, because they're perfect opposites.
Okay.
-1 and +1 are opposite, right? So these cancel, and that gives me what? -2 and 3 gives me how much?
+1x.
+1x equals how much? -2 and 3 gives you how much? 1, right? So that's it. X is 1. And then plug it in. Okay? Seriously, this is all you guys were expected to do for 6 problems since last week. 6 problems since last week, and this is all you were asked to do. Seriously. Okay? So, now we plug it in. 3 times 1, right? Minus y equals -2. Now, I probably should have used the plus y, right? But whatever. We plug in the 1. So it's 3 times 1. What's 3 times 1? 3, okay. Minus y equals -2. Now, how do I get the y alone?
Plus it? Or no?
Yeah, we can add what?
The 2, -2?
No.
The y. The y.
No.
Fuck. The 3?
Gotta get the y alone. Yes. The -3. We always add the opposite. Whatever is adding to the y, in this case, y is subtracted from the 3, right? But this is a +3, right? So we're going to add the opposite. What we do to one side, we do
to the other.
Okay? We're adding that opposite. Now, it could be, a lot of you are still getting confused with this. Adding the negative is the same as subtracting. Right? Okay? But it's confusing. When I say -2 minus 3, you're like, what does that mean? Right? So a lot of you think 1, because 2 minus 3 is 1, right? Or -1, right? So, and then you're like, what is it? Negative, and then this and this and this. No, it's going to be 5. And you have to think of it like this. -2, -2, right? Minus 3 is going to -5, if you think about it on the number line, right? Or if you think about it like this. I need 2 chairs for 2 students. And then 3 more students walk in, so I need 3 more. Right? I need 5. Right? I'm -5 chairs. Does that make sense? That's all that's happening here. Is that I'm -5. Okay? I need 2, I need 3 more, so I need 5. Now, the y is negative. It's not positive, right? So I can change both signs. I can keep it that simple.
Wait, couldn't you just multiply by like a...
Or I can multiply it by a -1, right?
Or wouldn't you do that to the other side too?
But what I do to one side, I do to the other, right? Nevertheless, it comes up as y equals 5. However you want to do it. Just change both the signs, multiply by a negative. I don't care, whatever's easiest for you. Okay? So y is 5, x is 1, so the interception is at 1, 5. And that's the math. That's all I'm asking for you to do. Okay? Now this was the other page. The second page. You had 4 more problems on, right? 4 more problems. Now, this can be confusing because these are the same. They're not opposites. But what can I do to a 2 to make it opposite of 2? Yeah, make it a minus, right? So I multiply by a negative. So I take this and I multiply by a negative. A -1, right? And everybody on the block gets the paper. Okay? So this positive turns into a negative. This positive turns into a negative. This positive turns into a negative. Okay? That's it. Then I just write this one back over there. 3x plus 2y equals 17. And this is the same problem as before now. There is no difference between this problem and this problem. All I did was change the signs. That's it. change all the signs. If this were a negative, it would become a positive, right?
Mhm.
But it's not, so it just became a negative. That's it. All I did is change the signs. Now I add them up. So, negative x and 3x, what do I get? Negative 1 and 3. I need 1, but I have 3. So it's 2. That's it. I have 2 extra chairs. I have 3 chairs, a person comes in, and I have 2 chairs left over. That's it. 2x. These cancel. Negative 5 and 17. Okay? So I need 5 chairs. I have 17 in here.
12.
So I have 12. I have 12. It's positive 12.
You're welcome.
Right? So now what? Half of the chairs are taken up. Right? Because I'm dividing it by 2. If I half the chairs are taken, right, then how many people came in the door? 6. And x is 6. Okay? It's that simple. Alright? Now I got to plug it in. I don't care which one I use. I can use this first problem. Right? X is 6. So 6 plus 2y equals 5. Now how do I get y alone? Skylar, how do I get y alone? What do I got to do?
Subtract.
Subtract what? No.
6.
6. Always that outside piece. Always the outside piece first. The part that's furthest away from the y. What's opposite of 6?
Negative 6.
Okay? So these cancel. I have 5, I need 6. If I have 5 and I need 6, then don't I still need 1? Need 1. So 2y, in this case, is equal to negative 1. So now what do I do? Divide by 2. So y is equal to negative 1/2. So we have an interception at 6, negative 1/2. That's it. That's problem number 15. Okay?